this is a review video for Joyoshare VidiKit, which is one-stop video toolkit solution, plus a tutorial on how to record a screen and cut big videos or remove unwanted parts of video clips like a pro. Hey folks, Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today we will talk about an all-in-one video toolkit with which we can cut, crop or trim videos. Not only this, it has the capabilities to compress video, record a screen and audio. But the best thing is that it can repair blurry, choppy and corrupted videos as well. So let's start this video and know more about this video toolkit. Here we are on official website of Joyoshare VidiKit, which is a video editing software that also comes with many more capabilities like video cutter, screen recorder, converter and much more. With this you can edit videos to give them professional look, can also record video and sound without any lags. It's a perfect streaming music recorder, can convert 150 plus formats with high efficiency. With this compress videos to reduce file size, can also repair videos with high success rate, and not only this, it comes with stunning freeware features. Joyoshare VidiKit is very easy to use, 100% secure, fully compatible so that you can use it on Windows and Mac devices as well. It also comes with lifetime free upgrade and free tech support. So if you want to give it a try, check the link in description and pinned comment. And to download it, let's move back to top of the page and click on free trial and select it as per your device. After this, download starts. Once download completes, click on downloaded file to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on finish to launch Joyoshare VidiKit. Here we have Joyoshare VidiKit. It comes with simple and clean UI where everything is available at glance to make it easier to use even if you are a beginner. Here we have converter. With this we can convert videos, cut and join videos, and from here compress videos as well. In record section we have screen and audio recorder. Under repair we have video repair and watermark wizard, which helps in removing and adding watermark to videos. In others we have our freeware features, media player and photo converters. For now, let's try out screen recording capabilities of Joyoshare VidiKit, and for that click on record. And from here click on screen recorder. Now from here we can choose capture area, the part of screen we want to record. We can also record full screen as well. We can choose if we want to record system sound and can also set its volume levels. We can do the same for microphone as well. Now by clicking on this settings icon, we can choose location to save screen recording, can also choose video output format. Here we have many options such as general video formats like MP4, WMV, MKV, and also have web video formats to save video for YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook. It also has HD video formats, or if you want it for a specific device, we can also choose it from here. Now if you want to upload your screen recording on YouTube, you can choose YouTube as output format, and after that here are recording time settings to auto stop or schedule recordings. From here we can choose cursor options for its pointer and can also choose highlight clicks. Simple and easy to set up with nice customized features. Now after that click on record to start with the screen recording. Now whatever we do on our screen will get recorded. Now let's move back to official Joyoshare web page. Here we have many more details about Joyoshare VidiKit. Now once we are done, click on this icon or taskbar to open recording options. We can pause or stop recording from here. This is how easily we can record our screen using Joyoshare VidiKit. Now what if we want to delete unwanted parts of that screen recording, such as the start or end of screen recording? For that let's move back to convert and then video cutter. Now from here we can trim or cut videos as per requirement. Click on open and then browse to open screen recording. You can choose any file you want to cut. Now after that we can cut start of the video by just moving this pointer. The same way we can cut out end part of video as well. After we are done with this, we can also choose output format by clicking on this. Here we have various options to choose. Select the desired format and then click on start. It will cut your video in blink of an eye, so fast and easy. After that, click on this to open file location, and here we have our video after cutting out unwanted part of screen recording. This is how easily you can also cut any of the videos you want to. So fast and easy to cut videos using Joyoshare VidiKit. Now let's talk about the pricing, and for that let's move back to official website and click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Windows version of Joyoshare VidiKit. If you want it for Mac device, here we have pricing plan for Mac version of Joyoshare VidiKit. I will highly recommend you to give it a try as it comes with some really awesome features, and not only this, it is really easy to use, so even if you are a beginner you can use it like a pro. This is what I had for now. If you find this useful, do give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views in comments and do consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video with another tutorial or review video.